my vlog. You may have noticed that my kitchen, which you can't really tell it's a kitchen, looks a little bit different, and also that I haven't posted in literally like almost a year. And it's because I moved. I've been really going through it and just dealing with like a lot of personal things. Life has made me bite the curb essentially. So I am in my own apartment. So it's very low-key exciting. I do really like living by myself. I'm not like super totally unpacked yet. I moved in like 3-ish weeks ago. I do still have a little bit that's just like random stuff that I need to unpack that kind of has just been plaguing my living room. We're getting there. For tonight, I just wanted to vlog myself starting some cold brew and possibly making some banana bread syrup. Let's do that. Cocoa beans. I'm doing it in a French press this time, which I haven't done before, so I'm excited to see how that turns out. My dumbass forgot to film me pouring the water, but it's okay because I low-key spilled it everywhere, so. Okay, I'm trying to get into like my my fall vibes, but I have a box that I have decorations in, but it's literally just fall and like a couple Christmas things. And then as I'm taking it out, I realize I have two Halloween decorations. I'll show you though. So it's this like happy Halloween thing. I think I got it like at Kirkland's. It was definitely overpriced. I want to buy it now, but I don't want to be that person that throws away holiday stuff. And then I got this thing. I think I also got it at Kirkland's, but they like usually have little lights inside, but the batteries are dead, so I have to order some on Amazon because they're like the weird little ones. Oh fuck. So they're just hanging out until then. A quick little kitchen tour, kind of a mess, but okay, I'm making banana bread syrup, but I fear I let the bananas get too ripe. Maybe? Oh, I did not like that. I know the riper it is, the sweeter it is, and this bitch was ripe. If you couldn't tell, by the way, it just fucking slithered in there. Okay, I'm using my wide angle lens, so if it looks bad, I'll just die. I'm going off of a TikTok that I saw. Let's make this damn syrup. I just went ahead and put the bananas in there because I just didn't like its vibe. Like they had to move. And then she put a teaspoon of butter. I'm just gonna kind of, yeah. That's probably about a teaspoon. I am gonna try and break them up with a spatula. It's kind of freaking me out a little bit. Like the way it looks, I feel like it shouldn't. So I don't know why. Once this toasts, yeah, it's kind of turning into mush, so this is what she looks like. Looks like baby food, low-key. I'm letting this simmer for like 10-ish minutes, and I'm gonna put some stuff away and charge my camera in the meantime. I'm just letting the banana bread cool so that I can blend it. I have snacks in my show. I let the syrup cool, so now I'm gonna blend it real quick. And I'm gonna throw it in the fridge, and then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm literally about to fall asleep standing up. I am currently cleaning out my fridge. This is what I am working with. I just have like a lot of stuff thrown everywhere. This is a shelf that I got from Daiso that literally doesn't fit anywhere else. So yeah, I need to kind of organize. I just got these chicken breasts today. I also need to put those in like little Ziploc baggies so I can freeze them. There's a chance I half-assed it just a little bit. I made all the soda pops the same spot, produce in that little like basket thing. Yeah, and then I don't think I'll change anything with the door. Good afternoon. Okay, so today for lunch I'm going to make a turkey avocado sandwich sub type thing. So yeah. Can't forget the best part. I'm not like the biggest fan of mayo, so I'm not gonna put a ton. I did it! Wait, I almost forgot lettuce. Looks good, right? That's really good. We're going to Trader Joe's, y'all. I'm scared. I'm going alone. Bringing my bag. I bring the cheese bag as well. Really, the only reason I'm going mostly is for hash browns. Okay, and I think if they have the like mystery bags, I'm gonna get a pack of those because I'm gluttonous, but yeah. Okay, so I made a little pit stop at this store that I saw on TikTok the other day. I practiced a lot of restraint, but I got this. Okay, this is what I came for. In the TikTok, I saw this hanging off of the wall. It's this little fox, so cute. I thought it'd be cute like on my bag. So they had this cute little blind box. And I want to open her up. I'm balancing it on my steering wheel, and this is kind of scary. But I swear, like, I haven't seen anything about this little guy until recently. I've been seeing him everywhere. And whenever I was in Seattle, oh damn. Okay, it's a cute little otter. I thought that there would be like Sonic Angels, like the bag inside would be not clear, so I didn't mean to spoil myself like that, but damn. Okay, cute. It's a little otter. The other options were like otter, the penguin, and then like a squid. I think I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's next. Okay, we're back from Trader Joe's. That was the first time I went to that one, and it was a lot nicer than the other one that we have. Like the parking lot wasn't awful, and it wasn't super busy. If you know me, you know I have literally the worst anxiety ever, so being in Trader Joe's, period, is hell for me, and not gonna lie, that was no different. It was a lot easier because, it was bigger, like the aisles were a little bit more spaced out, but at one point, okay, I went there for two things mainly. I wanted the like hash brown patties, and then I also wanted to see if they had like the mystery reusable bags. They're out of both of those, but I couldn't find them, like the hash browns, so I asked an employee, like, hey, do you know where they are? And she showed me, and she's like, oh shoot, looks like we don't have any, let me go check in the back. And then she was back there for like, she's just doing her job, so I'm like, I'm not mad at her, obviously, but she was back there for like 5-ish minutes, which doesn't sound like a long time, but it felt like a long time because everybody like, just people kept going down the aisle, and I felt like I looked like I was just like standing there. And I know that's like the cardinal sin for Trader Joe's, like just standing there in the middle of the aisle. And I tried to move on one side when no one was, and then a bunch of people started walking down, so I like moved on the other side, and then people moved on that side. I'm like, please come back, please. I am literally like drained from that. If that doesn't tell you how bad my anxiety is. Yeah, I can't even go to the other one like alone. Also, they're out of the like reusable packs of, or the mystery packs of the reusable bags, and I was kind of sad about that. I did call the other one, like the other Trader Joe's, because it's like 15 minutes away from this one. I don't know why they built them so close together, but the guy said they're done for the season. Anyways, I got this Southwest salad. I hope it's good. It looks pretty good. That sounded like questioning, but it actually does. I got 3 boxes of the Spanish style rice. I love this shit. It's so good. It's addicting. Also got more vanilla bean paste because I'm almost out and I really love this stuff. Cashew. They had black garlic in their like seasoning section, and I wanted to try it because of the that one Bob's Burgers episode. Little potatoes. Second bag. Bananas. 2 red onions. I got a packet of corn tortillas. I got these Korean pancakes. I saw online that people were talking about them because they're vegan, so I wanted to try them. Eggs. I've never bought eggs from Trader Joe's before. I got this smoothie blend because I have some of their like acai packs in my fridge, or my freezer, that I've had for a while, but I never have any other fruit, so I was like, might as well. Mozzarella sticks. I really like these. I got jalapenos. I think I got 4. And then I got these like bulgogi rice ball things. My main down here, pulling out my syrup that I got last year somewhere. I'm gonna start with 2 pumps because I did like 3 or 4 last time and it was way too much. Okay, I'm gonna do oat milk and rice, of course.